Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. I'm super excited today. First time I've gone on Temu and bought a whole bunch of items for you guys to test out and see what to expect. So Temu, this is just the unboxing of Temu. By the way, I'm funding everything on this channel myself. This has cost me over $100, these items. Please do show your appreciation. If you like this channel, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up. So this is how it comes, just in a bag. Alright, so I've ordered a few things, so we'll go with them later. So first of all, a bit of a mask that I ordered. So don't expect anything special. The mask's ad will be on the right side. I'll show you what it looks like in the ad. And feels really cheap, okay? Not very breathable or stretchy, so can't expect much with that. The next item is these slippers. So they're very cheap, as you can probably see. Yeah, that's completely cheap, very cheap. Okay, got a sling bag as well. That's how it came in. Looks to be a bit of a imitation of something. I don't know if you guys are a brand person. What's that sign of? I feel like that's a brand sign. Gucci, I don't know. French flag. Comment below. So that's not too bad. It's okay. Can't complain with that. Although this side is like really cheap. I don't know how much that can hold on to. How big? That's okay. Alright, okay. I don't mind this at all. It's okay. Okay, can't complain with this. Let's put this aside. Now the other thing that I got was this little tablet thing. It's nice and foamy. I like this. This wasn't too bad, and it's really strong around your tablet. Your tablet's not good. Your kids aren't going to be able to take it out of the tablet. So this is fantastic. I like this. This has got a little kickstand here as well. You can stand it up like that. Comes with this little thing as well. All right, now, bit of a disappointment here. Okay, so this is what it came with, and this is what it looked like. It was all, I don't know if you can see this. Completely cracked, all three. So I ordered three, all three were cracked completely, like they were useless. So I ordered some screen protectors, they came in cracked, they weren't working at all. Alright, the next item I've got is a doorbell with a camera on it. So that doesn't really scream luxury. Actually, let's do this one in the end. How about we do this one in the end? So that's the most expensive one on here. This is an insect repellent. So pest control. So no cushioning, nothing, it's just in a cardboard box. Even the thing isn't closed. Damaged-ish. There's a few scratches on it. This apparently lets all the animals know not to come near. I'll test it, by the way, see if it works. Now this is the doorbell. Alright, so doorbell, bang. I had good reviews on this product, so that's why I went and got it. Okay, So first of all, got a few things for the doorbell to go into the wall with, okay? And you've got the, oh, I don't know what this is. Oh, sorry. So the doorbell, I think it recharges through there. Okay, it's rechargeable. And don't even know what this is. I guess this just sticks it onto the wall instead of actually drill it into your wall. And the ringer always needs power to it. So as you can see, it's USB powered, so the ringer needs power always to it. So that's a bit of a downfall. Okay, let's look at it. Microphone, USB, anchors, 3 screws. Three screws. Oh yeah, third one there. Okay, that's how you set it up. Not too shabby, all right, not too impressive either, but hey, that's what you get cheap online. All right, okay, all right, gotcha. That looks pretty scratched still. Anyways, what do you guys think? See how that there's this line going through there? Can you see that? That tiny hairline. So all of this stuff is already scratched. So that's Temu. Anyways, that's good to see that it's got charged. I'll put it on charge and then I'll use all this stuff and get back to you guys, and I'll do a proper thorough review of this. Alright guys, thank you for watching it to the end. I really appreciate it. Please do drop a like and subscribe. It'll really help out. Thanks so much. Take good care. Bye bye.